A fresh wave of megaprojects, totaling hundreds of billions of dollars in strategic investment, is preparing to break ground across the U.S. in 2026. These ventures, ranging from advanced manufacturing and energy projects to digital infrastructure, are expected to create thousands of jobs and shift the nation's economic and technological trajectory. TSMC Arizona Fabs. TSMC Arizona is a major semiconductor manufacturing hub in Phoenix, currently undergoing a massive expansion to become a gigafab cluster. As of early 2026, the project has grown to a total pledged investment of $165 billion, making it one of the largest foreign direct investments in United States history, and supports innovation in next-generation semiconductor technologies. Wafer plant. GlobalWafers will spend $7.5 billion to establish the nation's first 300mm silicon wafer facility in Texas. It aims to boost the domestic supply of critical materials for semiconductor production. These wafers are critical for advanced chip production used in artificial intelligence and 5G networks, electric vehicles, and other next-generation technologies. LG Energy Solution Arizona Complex. LG Energy Solution is committing $5.5 billion to create a facility in Arizona for electric vehicle battery and energy storage cell production. It will include a cylindrical battery plant producing advanced 46 series batteries for electric cars and an ESS battery plant for lithium iron phosphate pouch type batteries used in energy storage systems. This project supports the growing electric cars market and renewable energy storage needs. HSC Steel Production Plant. HSC Steel refers to Hyundai Steel Company, HSC, a major South Korean steelmaker, and its various global operations. A $5.8 billion investment will fund an ultra-low-carbon steel manufacturing plant in Louisiana. The vast plant, spanning 1,700 acres, will use electric arc furnace technology, which produces 70% lower emissions than traditional blast furnaces. It focuses on sustainable steel production to reduce emissions in heavy industry. Kingston Energy Complex. A multi-billion-dollar energy hub in Tennessee, will integrate natural gas, battery storage, and solar power. The complex aims to deliver reliable and diversified energy solutions. Natural gas units will come online by 2027, and battery storage by 2029, marking the retirement of 9 coal-fired units at Kingston. Brightline West High-Speed Rail. Brightline is investing more than $21 billion to build a high-speed rail service connecting Las Vegas and Southern California. The project promises faster travel and reduced highway congestion. It is expected to remove 3 million cars annually from I-15, reducing congestion and emissions. And it is generating tens of thousands of jobs. Frederick Douglass Tunnel Improvement. A $5.9 billion upgrade to Amtrak's Northeast Corridor in Maryland will modernize the Frederick Douglass Tunnel, improving rail capacity and reliability for millions of passengers. It includes 4 new tracks, upgraded signaling, and ventilation systems. Meta Hyperion Data Center. Meta is allocating $7.5 billion for a cutting-edge data center spanning over 1.4 million square feet, including multiple buildings, in Louisiana. The facility, which will be one of the largest tech infrastructure projects in the state's history, will enhance cloud services and support the company's growing digital infrastructure. Amazon Data Center Expansion. Amazon plans a $15 billion expansion to construct Indiana's largest ever data center project. This investment will bolster cloud computing capabilities and regional tech growth. It is expected to create more than 1,000 construction roles and hundreds of permanent tech jobs. Liquefied Natural Gas Export Termina is a fully operational liquefied natural gas facility located in Cameron Parish, Louisiana. This $15.1 billion project in Louisiana will develop new liquefied natural gas export infrastructure, including a terminal and pipeline spanning 85 miles, to expand American energy exports globally. It has a permitted peak capacity of 12.4 million metric tons per annum of liquefied natural gas, operated from an initial 10 million metric tons. The facility includes 18 modular liquefaction units across 9 blocks, 2 200,000 cubic meter storage tanks, 2 loading berths, and a 720 megawatts on-site power plant.